Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to Chef HD. Today, I gotta be honest with you, I'm a little out of my element. Indian cuisine. I've never really dove too far into it, just until recently actually, where this new takeout spot opened up on my house. We kept it simple. We ordered some tandoori chicken, and I just couldn't get enough of this stuff. So I'm really excited to try to recreate that just for memory. I did a little research on YouTube, and I think I got it. It's just really addictive, man. So I hope you guys enjoy it. As always, enough talking. Let's get to it. We got a lot of work to do. All right, guys. So for the chicken, I'm using chicken thighs and chicken legs. I heard that's pretty traditional, the chicken legs especially. But I'm a big fan of the darker meat anyway. You can really cook the hell out of it, and it still stays juicy and it's packed with flavor. So we're gonna go with the thighs, we're gonna go with the legs. Another tip I picked up on YouTube is a 2 marinade method. First marinade, we're gonna go with salt and lime juice. We're gonna let that sit for about an hour. This just makes sense. It starts to break down the meat a little bit, giving it a little more flavor. Once that's done, after the hour's up, we're gonna go with our yogurt marinade. So you can go ahead and make your own spice mixture here. But like I said, it's my first time, so I wanted to keep it simple. Garam masala. It's got coriander, black pepper, cumin, cardamom, and cinnamon. And I'm getting all of that. So I'm gonna stick with this stuff. I'm gonna add some curry powder. This is the stuff that gives you that nice red color. Traditionally, like I said, Kashmiri chili powder. If you can find it online, Amazon I think carries it. I'll put a link down below. This is one I found in my local market. Figured I'd give it a try. And a ginger and garlic paste. That's very traditional. Feel free to use the machine here to make a paste out of this stuff, but I just, for such a small batch, I just figured I'd use a box grater. Used a half a knob of ginger, just grated it, and 4 cloves of garlic. Yogurt, I'm using a Foggy brand. It's the one we have in the restaurant, so I'm sticking with that. I'm gonna try to keep it as authentic as possible. And this is what they throw in there, a couple drops of this red coloring to give you that bright, that really vibrant look. So minimum time for this marinade, I would say 4 hours, but you can go overnight. I think that'd be better. But if you're in a pinch, 4 hours would be fine. Hey guys, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, make sure to subscribe. As my daughter would say, smash that like button. Give me a thumbs up, please. It will help. It helps the channel. Enjoy the rest of the episode. Was that a wink? I think I double winked. It's the next day. I decided last minute to let this chicken marinate overnight, and I think I made the right decision because this stuff, it just really transformed. The smell is just out of this world. Yesterday it was you picked up some of the curry, but this is all, it's just like all bouquet together, and I'm really excited right now. I'm glad I waited. We're gonna get the smoker going. I might actually pull out the little torch and give it a nice char while it's smoking. I'm gonna make it happen for you today. Oh yeah. If you don't have a Traeger, you can also just put it directly under the broiler, which is actually gonna get you the result that I'm looking for with the color and the texture, but it's not gonna give you that smoky flavor. I want the smoke. I think it's gonna add the most amount of flavor, but I also want that look like it was actually done in a tandoori oven. Is that right? All right guys, next up is the rice. I just learned this actually myself. I've been cooking rice all my life. The trick to making the perfect rice is rinsing your rice off and using a rice cooker. You can use a traditional method. Obviously you can cook it in a pot, but if you haven't gotten a rice cooker yet, you really need to. It makes your life so easy. I can't stress that enough. Get a rice cooker, wash your rice. You'll never have a problem ever again. Let's get to it. And that's it. So I just checked on the chicken. Actually didn't even need the torch, to be honest with you. I did the torch, but this thing is getting piping hot right now. Wow. Now check this out. Yeah, buddy. Yes. Making it happen. As you can see, you got to make adjustments, because you don't know what's going to happen. That marinade just started browning super fast. All the sugar from the yogurt, the spices, the sugar from the garlic, the sugar from the ginger. So you're getting that Maillard reaction there, and it's starting to burn faster than we thought. We didn't even need the torch, as you can see. So you got to adjust your game plan as you go, especially working with new stuff, with new dishes. You never know what's gonna happen. So always use your senses and adjust. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Like I said, I'm not familiar with these ingredients. That pepper is got some heat, boy. Luckily, I'm a fan of heat, but if you're not, just go a little less on that. If you want to substitute anything, I would say use a paprika. With that yogurt sauce, might add a touch of sugar in there as well to kind of balance that out. The flavors are on point. For the grilled veg, I'm doing mini sweet peppers. I'm just gonna roast these whole on the smoker. We're just gonna see how those come out. They're gonna add a nice little sweet element to the dish. Just very, very simple. A little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper. And onions. I'm just gonna get like a really high heat. We still want some crunch on these bad boys, so I just want to char them quickly, very quickly, and pull them off. And then finally, we're doing our raita. Like I said, very similar to tzatziki, with the addition of cilantro and cumin, cucumber and lime. And we'll see how that comes out. We're gonna adjust the flavors as we go. I want this to be like a refreshing element to the dish. So if we got a little too much heat on the chicken, this is gonna go and cool off your palate a little bit. When it all comes together, I'm hoping it's what I tasted from that small takeout place that just got me hooked. Alright, now just before plating, we're going to finish up our rice with a spoonful of ghee. Fluff that up real nice. Adjust the seasoning if you have to. and a little sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Guys, the smells coming off of this thing are unbelievable. I am a fan of this right now. So, we start with the chicken. We got the leg. Beautiful color, right? From that food coloring. From the pepper, that spicy ass pepper that we put on there. I didn't know. But let's take a bite. Let's see how it goes. Perfectly cooked. The flavor is spot on, dude. It really is. But you're getting that heat. It's a lingering heat, but it hits you right away. The raita, I added a little bit of sugar, put a little more acid. That should mellow it out. All together, guys, I think we did it. I think we did it. I think you're gonna be very happy with this. I didn't even test this recipe out. It's the first time I'm making this is today with you guys. And I think we did a pretty good job. Please subscribe, click the notifications, follow us on social media, chefhd.tv. We got a new episode every week, trying new things every week, trying to keep it fresh, trying to get out of my comfort zone with cooking, trying all new flavors. This heat is getting me right now and I love it. Wow. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.